This is over one-step equations, solving one-step equations. So the main thing you got to understand is how do you undo addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division? You do the inverse operation. So to undo a subtraction equation, you do add. To undo an adding, you subtract. To undo a multiplication, you divide. And to undo a multiplication, division, you multiply. So let's do our first one. X take away 3 and 4/10 equal 2 and 1/10. So here is the X variable. To undo, excuse me, a subtraction, we have to add 3 and 4/10 to both sides. When you have negative 3 and 4/10, positive 3 and 4/10, they cancel out. So X equal, and what is 2 and 1/10 plus 3 and 4/10? 5 and 5/10. To check your work, 5 and 5/10 minus 3 and 4/10 equals 2 and 1/10. Next one, X. I need to isolate X. To isolate X, to make X by itself, I have to undo this addition. So I subtract 2 and 5/5 from both sides. Cancel. X is equal. Oh, do they share a common denominator of 20? 20. How many 4s go in 20? 5 times. So that's 15/20th. Can I rename 2/5 times 4 times 4? That's 8/20. So 15/20th minus 8/20 is 7/20th. 7/20th plus 2/5 equals 3/4. Next one. If you need to, put a multiplication dot right here so you understand that this is an equation using multiplication. To undo multiplication, we need to divide both sides by what number? -6. Because -6 divided by -6 cancels out. X equals -5. To check your work, -6 times -5 equals 30. And last but not least, to undo, is X isolated? No. To undo a division, we need to multiply both sides by -2. Multiply both sides by -2. This cancel. X equal 7 times 2 is 14. Negative, negative makes positive, and the answer is 14. To check your work, 14 divided by 2 is 7, but -2 makes it -7.